Look how pretty when the cruise comes here with tourists. The front of this area that's full of like market commerce, and that is the cruise. As you can see, you have a lot of people snorkeling and even scuba diving down there, but you cannot jump from the pier. And that is all the little shops, local shops with all sorts of like handmade jewelry and clothes and stuff like that. So it's really good. It's Frederiksted by the pier, where we have the Polly's Cafe and other nice restaurants like the Cibonet. I posted videos about that. So if you want to learn how to do DIY in the Caribbean, shipping container home, tiny home, subscribe to the channel, play, click like, and enjoy. Kisses. Bye-bye. Look how nice. And you have artists too. And people from the cruise coming down here. So it's nice, man. It's enjoyable. It's really nice. Live music.